How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fatboy and Bradical Drink Reviews. Well, Bradical notified me that we had a request for the breakfast burger from Cracker Barrel. Well, let's just say this. This is the first time that we're doing a review in the morning. Because usually, I don't like doing our reviews early in the morning. Let me see. It is 7:56 right now. I'm usually not awake by now. So, alright, son. But yeah, I'm going to talk about it a little bit. Then I'm going to turn it over to Brad, let him do his review with it. Then I'll pick it back up and do mine. So, well, it's a limited time only until November 25th. So, if you want to try it, get out there and get it before the 25th. Because it'll be off the menu by then. So, I'm going to turn over to Brett. Here you go, buddy.
Well, hello, everyone. This is Bradical here. Fatboy and Bradical Drink Reviews is at it again. So, me and Mr. Fatboy, we are back to doing videos separate again for a while, because there's been some stuff going around, and I had a bad head cold, and I didn't want nobody to catch nothing, so this is how we're doing it. At least for a little bit. But anyway, we got a request from a coworker of mine, Mr. Cameron. Shout out to you, Mr. Cameron Bailey. You're an awesome guy, and nothing but love. And I only mean that in a brother like love. I got you, boo. Anyway, so this was a request from Mr. Cameron Bailey. And he requested a new sandwich that came out from Cracker Barrel, which is called the Breakfast Burger. I just took a look at this thing. Look how big this monster is. You got the frat, you got the egg on there, you got the hash brown casserole, you got the bacon boy, you got the burger, you got that cheese. Ooh, this is gonna be a big boy. But, yeah. Oh my god, look at this monster. But anyway, we know what time it is, don't we? You know, let me just, yeah, right. And 3, 2, 1. Burgers for breakfast? Absolutely. Especially with this thing. That is good. I'm sorry, y'all, but that is good. It's good. Oh my god, that is delicious. I'm a fan of having certain things for breakfast, alright? Like burgers, steaks, that bacon boy. I can eat that for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, that's how much I love it. But anyway, we thank you guys for coming with us on this journey. This channel is nearly, I think, over 2 years old. Scott can confirm on that. But we thank you guys for the support, for the love, for the subscriptions, and all of that. And we couldn't do this without you guys. You guys are amazing. So, nothing but love. We hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you guys on the next go-around. Scott, you can close us out, big man.
What kind of monstrosity is this? Just don't worry about this. This is the hash brown casserole. you can't have a good breakfast without a hash brown casserole. But a burger with hash browns, bacon. It's supposed to come with an egg, but I'm not big on eggs. And a long story for another time. I'll talk about that later on. So let's Gary try this sucker out. What do Brad and I usually say? From shoot, what's that guy? Oh well, who cares? Either way, this is its taste. Was losing a whole lot of good stuff. I love hash browns. Only problem is, this is the way they give you your napkin. Oh well. Honestly, that's pretty good. If I was Cracker Barrel, I would be thinking about putting that on the menu full time. But the hash brown casserole, I love it. Honestly, sometimes I would just go to Cracker Barrel just to get the hash brown casserole. But yeah. Honestly, I'll have to give that burger right here a 9 out of 10. Because that's pretty good. So, either way, I hope y'all enjoy this little review. I wish we could have done it together, but we had planned on doing it together. However, Brad started coming down with something, and I didn't want to catch it, so we decided to do separate reviews. Either way. So, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Links in the description below. Follow our inspirations, BadlandsChugs, Daym Drops. Oh yeah, I remember where we got that line from. Grimm's Toy Show. So, either way, don't forget to follow them also. But stay tuned for December, because, like I said, we had the 12 Chunks of Christmas coming up. Starting November 30th, we're going to start recording those. So, either way, don't forget, we love y'all to death. Chug on.